Hey everyone, this is Ayanna from Arbria Creations, and today is Spa Sunday. And so on Spa Sundays, I usually do a DIY or a demonstration of one of my products. So today we are doing a DIY, and I hesitated because I've been saying it wrong all day, and my daughter's been correcting me, but I got this today. But anyway, today we are doing a demonstration and we are doing our own little DIY, and this will be a homemade facial scrub. And so this is brown sugar and this honey. So those of you who get my newsletters, those of you who are follow me on Instagram, I will be posting about this DIY project. So make sure you check it out. And well, you're already checking it out because you're seeing it. So anyway, let's do it. So what I'm going to do, this is a really easy facial scrub. My face is already a little damp because I just did a cleanser. And so now I'm going to mix the honey with the sugar. And so I'm just going to pour a little bit in here. So just let everyone know, this is 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is an all-natural honey from a local grower. And then I'm going to put in the brown sugar. And I'm just, putting that in there. It's going to become a little paste. And once I have everything stirred up, I'm going to apply this to my face. And because this is brown sugar, it is going to be able to exfoliate. And I'm going to just do that real quick. And I'm going to apply that onto my face with my fingers because I have clean fingers, clean hands. And I'm just going to apply that. It's a little sticky. My daughter actually applied it with the facial mask brush. And this is a little embarrassing because you see how it goes on. But I prefer to apply it with my fingers because I can see how well it goes on. I can also see if it's, I can feel how it's going on and if it's going on too rough or anything. And, it's just easier for me to apply it with my fingers. So as you can see, I'm just going to rub this in. I'm going to wet my fingers a little bit more. And this is just to make it a little bit of a exfoliant to take off all the dead skin. And I don't mean to be wasting water, but I just want to grab some more. And I am about to go ahead and take this off. And, once I take it off, I'm going to pat it dry with a towel. So thanks for joining us for our Spa Sunday. I hope you find something in your day to be able to do something enjoyable for yourself and treat yourself to a nice DIY project. Everyone has this at home. You can do it easily. As you can see, it didn't take any time. In fact, I'm about to do this on my lips and do a little sugar scrub on my lips. It's summertime. I want to make sure that I'm getting my lips also. That tastes good. But anyway, make sure you're treating yourself. Make sure you're doing something special for you. And I just take 30 minutes of my evening every Sunday to treat myself. I originally did a cleanser on my face. Now I'm doing a facial scrub, and I'm going to follow it up with a facial mask. So see you next Sunday, and remember, treat yourself. You deserve it. Have a good one. Bye.